Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So important update from TCS. So this is actually a good news to all of the 2026 pass out batch. So as you know the TCS have announced the first phase result, and those who have interview on 29th of December they only got the result. Again saying those who have interview on 29th of December they only got the result. So जिनका interview बाद में हुआ just wait and be positive because a good news from the TCS that as you know for 2025 pass out batch there was mass rejection, but in this phase actually TCS is doing mass selection. So I hope ऐसा ही off campus में रहे. So this is a good news interview result. So I talked to one of the candidates. This is as I have already provided update related to the interviews. These candidates was having interview in 29th, and I have talked to some other candidate related to the interview and asked that tell me the number of selection and other things. So he said that Bhaiya, from my side or from my batch, actually there were total 60 students while having interview, and out of that around 50 plus was shortlisted. I've also consult to other colleges, so they are I think shortlisted 40 students for the interview and almost 30 students they have taken. So you can see that almost 80 to 90% selection ratio has. So there is a good opportunity that if you have given interview, then hope your 2026 will be best and you will get a job opportunity. Talking about the one important things that the role. So they are actually giving selection for the ninja profile more, okay, not the digital. So this is the important uh, update related to TCS. Now coming to the 2026 pass out batch and who are eligible means eagerly waiting for the off campus must go through this video. And friends, I am saying that they will announce the off campus drive at any time after tag test. So tag test is basically scheduled on 12th on, but so after that anytime your NQT off campus registration will be out and you will not get time. So I will suggest to go and watch this video. I have provided free study material for preparation, and please friend don't waste your time. Just give these valuable 4 to 5 months, okay, because you know TCS and QT 2026 hiring announced, Deloitte NLA hiring already announced. So I've already provided update this too, okay. So Deloitte NLA hiring announced and lots of hiring will be there. So please be positive in these days. Don't waste your valuable time in doing these all kind of other things. बी फोकस्ड इफ़ यू वांट टू गेट प्लेसमेंट. अदरवाइज फ्रेंड्स अगर आप बाहर निकलिएगा ना, बिलीव मी, आई एम शेयरिंग द पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस, यू विल फेस अ लॉट ऑफ इशू, ओके, थ्रू द ऑफ कैंपस. कभी कभी आपका रेज्यूमे शॉर्ट लिस्टेड नहीं होगा. इफ़ रेज्यूमे शॉर्ट लिस्टेड देन दे माइट कंसिडर सम अदर कैंडिडेट हु हैव सम हैविंग सम interview experience, sorry, who have some experience. So you will face lots of difficulty. So I will suggest go and start preparing for the NQT and other exam, cognizant वगैरह बहुत सारा हायरिंग निकलने वाला है, ओके. सो जस्ट गो एंड वॉच दिस. और कुछ कुछ कॉलेज में तो कैप्जिमिनाई का भी आया है. सो यू कैन कमेंट वेदर इन योर कॉलेज कैप्जिमिनाई इज कमिंग और नॉट, and must go through the preparation video where I have provided the free study material, okay. And you can subscribe us for getting job updates. So I regularly post, and those who haven't applied for Deloitte must apply as soon as possible because last date is around 17th of Jan, okay. So Deloitte NLA hiring and must refine your resume before applying. So this is the important update. So I hope those who are waiting for the TCS and QT result, your result will be fine, and hope you will get selections. So must comment here whether you got the result if you have given interview after 29th, so that other student will get idea. If you have any query, feel free to ask here, comment here. I feel very happy to help you. And all the best for the students who are preparing for the off campus. We will provide updates soon related to that. Till then, bye bye.